Baking soda secrets you never knew existed. Join me as I dive into the world of baking soda and try to uncover the secrets you probably never knew existed. You know, baking soda is one of those pantry staples that we often take for granted. It's been in our grandmother's kitchens, our mother's kitchens, and probably even our own kitchens for years. We use it to bake, to cook, and maybe even to clean up a few messes here and there. But the truth is, there's so much more to baking soda than just its common uses. I mean, think about it. We've all heard of baking soda being used to neutralize odors, to help with heartburn, and even to whiten our teeth. But have we ever stopped to think about what else it can do? Probably not, and that's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. From cleaning hacks to beauty secrets, and from cooking tips to natural remedies, baking soda is a versatile ingredient that deserves a whole lot more credit than it gets. So, let's get started on this journey of discovery and see just how many surprising uses we can uncover. One of the most surprising things about baking soda is that even though it's been around for centuries, most people still don't know how to get the most out of it. We stick to our usual routines, using it solely for baking and the occasional cleaning task, without ever stopping to think about its full potential. But the problem is, we're not alone in this. There are millions of people out there who are using baking soda the same way, without ever realizing just how much more it can do for them. And that's why today we're going to shake things up a bit. We're going to explore the many different ways in which baking soda can make our lives easier, healthier, and more convenient. We're going to look at its applications in cleaning, beauty, cooking, and even as a natural remedy. And by the time we're done, you'll be amazed at just how versatile this one little ingredient really is. Let's start with cleaning. We all know that baking soda is great for neutralizing odors and absorbing spills, but did you know that it can also be used to clean your oven, your sink, and even your toilets? That's right, with just a little bit of baking soda and some elbow grease, you can get rid of even the toughest grime and stains. But cleaning is just the tip of the iceberg. Baking soda has a ton of beauty uses as well. For example, you can use it as a face scrub, a hair mask, or even as a natural exfoliant. And the best part is, it's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin types. Of course, one of the most well-known uses for baking soda is in cooking. We use it to make delicious treats like cakes, cookies, and muffins, but did you know that it can also be used to tenderize meat, whiten vegetables, and even reduce the acidity of tomatoes? That's right, baking soda is the ultimate kitchen hack. But perhaps the most surprising use for baking soda is as a natural remedy. Did you know that it can be used to treat heartburn, indigestion, and even certain types of infections? It's true, and we're going to explore all of these uses and more in just a minute. One of the most amazing things about baking soda is its ability to absorb and neutralize odors. And this makes it the perfect natural air freshener for your home. Simply sprinkle a little bit of baking soda on your carpets, in your fridge, or even in your closet, and watch as it absorbs all the unwanted smells and leaves your space smelling fresh and clean. But baking soda isn't just good for absorbing odors, it's also great for removing stains. Whether it's a tough grease stain on your clothes or a stubborn wine stain on your carpet, baking soda is the perfect natural solution. Simply make a paste with a little bit of baking soda and water, apply it to the stain, and watch as it lifts right out. And while we're on the topic of natural remedies, did you know that baking soda can even be used to treat certain types of skin conditions? That's right, whether you're dealing with acne, eczema, or even psoriasis, baking soda can be a huge help. Simply mix a little bit of baking soda with some water to form a paste, apply it to the affected area, and watch as it soothes and calms your skin. But perhaps the most surprising use for baking soda is as a natural pesticide. That's right, whether you're dealing with ants, roaches, or even bedbugs, baking soda is the perfect natural solution. Simply sprinkle a little bit of baking soda along the ant trails or in the affected areas, and watch as it kills the pests on contact. Of course, one of the most amazing things about baking soda is its ability to soften water. And this makes it the perfect natural solution for people who live in areas with hard water. Simply add a little bit of baking soda to your washing machine, and watch as it softens the water and leaves your clothes feeling soft and fresh. But baking soda isn't just good for softening water, it's also great for cleaning your drains. That's right, whether you're dealing with clogged drains or slow-moving water, baking soda is the perfect natural solution. Simply pour a little bit of baking soda down the drain, follow it up with some hot water, and watch as it clears out all the gunk and grime. And while we're on the topic of cleaning, did you know that baking soda can even be used to clean your silver jewelry? That's right, whether you're dealing with tarnished earrings or a dull silver necklace, baking soda is the perfect natural solution. Simply mix a little bit of baking soda with some water to form a paste, apply it to the affected area, and watch as it shines like new. But perhaps the most astonishing secret about baking soda is its ability to put out fires. That's right, whether you're dealing with a small kitchen fire or a larger blaze, baking soda is the perfect natural fire extinguisher. Simply sprinkle a little bit of baking soda on the flames, and watch as it starves the fire of oxygen and puts it out in no time. Of course, one of the most amazing things about baking soda is its ability to reduce inflammation. And this makes it the perfect natural solution for people who are dealing with arthritis, joint pain, or even gout. Simply mix a little bit of baking soda with some water to form a paste, apply it to the affected area, and watch as it reduces the inflammation and relieves the pain. But baking soda isn't just good for reducing inflammation, it's also great for cleaning your dishwasher. That's right, whether you're dealing with a buildup of grease and food particles or a stubborn stain on the dishwasher floor, baking soda is the perfect natural solution. Simply sprinkle a little bit of baking soda on the affected area, run the dishwasher through a hot cycle, and watch as it shines like new. And while we're on the topic of cleaning, did you know that baking soda can even be used to remove labels from jars and bottles? That's right, whether you're dealing with stubborn stickers or pesky labels, baking soda is the perfect natural solution. Simply soak the label in a mixture of baking soda and water, and watch as it peels right off. But perhaps the most surprising use for baking soda is as a natural fungicide. That's right, whether you're dealing with fungus on your plants or mold in your home, baking soda is the perfect natural solution. Simply mix a little bit of baking soda with some water to form a spray, apply it to the affected area, and watch as it kills the fungus on contact. And finally, one of the most astonishing secrets about baking soda is its ability to preserve food. That's right, whether you're dealing with fruits, vegetables, or even meats, baking soda is the perfect natural preservative. Simply sprinkle a little bit of baking soda on the food, and watch as it absorbs the moisture and prevents spoilage. So there you have it, 20 surprising uses for baking soda that you never knew existed. From cleaning hacks to beauty secrets, and from cooking tips to natural remedies, baking soda is the ultimate versatile ingredient. So, the next time you reach for that box of baking soda in your pantry, remember all the amazing things it can do. From absorbing odors to putting out fires, baking soda is the perfect natural solution for just about anything. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more life hacks and tips. And if you have a favorite baking soda use that we didn't cover in this video, be sure to leave it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.